was young when I left home, and I've been out rambling round, and I never wrote a letter to my home, to my home, Lord, to my home. And I never wrote a letter to my home. It was just the other day I was